sorry. All circuits are busy now.
Busy?
Please try your call again later.
But Minnie said it's urgent.
This has been a recording.
You lousy...
Do not yell at the recording.
Oh, I'll show you yelling.
Do not smash the phone. Put me down. That's right.
Well, come on. We've got to go help Minnie. The door! I can't get it open! Whew.
Must be locked.
Locked? Where's the key?
Maybe it's what Goofy's kid said.
Let's see here. We got a car key, piano key, skeleton key, keyboard, key to the city, keyhole, key lime pie, key to my heart, gorsh, Florida keys, high key, low key, on key, off key, trick key, okie dokie, artichoke, Don Quixote. Oh, now that's a stretch. Get rid of that one. Smoky, hokey, pokey, marquee, Cherokee, malarkey, Frankie, cranky, spanky, hanky-panky, monkey, donkey, parakeet, and, get ready, Mickey!
That accomplished absolutely nothing!
Well, maybe we should just use the spare key.
Huh.
Give me that.
Hey, that's mine. I think I can reach it. I got it. Pick one.
Now be careful, Donald.
Yeah, not too fast.
Let go. I can do it.
Come on, fellas. Don't give up. We're the best locksmiths in town. Ah!
Still locked.
Ah! Oh! Wrong pick.
I'll just call a locksmith to come and get us out. Hello? I'm looking for a locksmith. Well, you called the right number. We're the best in town. But we're the best locksmiths in town. Oh, yeah? Says who? Says me. That's what you say. That's what I said. There's no reason to be rude. Rude? I'll show you rude. Mind me never to use that, locksmith.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Huh?
Mickey Mouse, there you are. I've been trying to call you all morning. You left your key at my house.
So that's where I left the door key.
I'd say this ending was kinda dorky. Yuck.